Uncle Pig cocktail. That is the three word that should not, Uncle Pig cock. Three words that should not be next to each other. I thought cocktail was one word. Well, why is it cock and dash tail? How about I move it right here? Uncle Pig cock. That is very unprofessional of me. And they are closed. Ooh, this is a great view of the place. You got the Ferris wheel. And that bridge right there, I think I made some shorts on that bridge. Basically, at night, it lights up. And then it looks pretty cool. And you can take pictures on that bridge. Mini security guard right over there. Try and check out. Make sure that people don't ride the bike. That's the reason why they're posted in this part. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead towards the subway station now. If you guys are lost and you need to find the subway, all you gotta do is try to follow a group of people. Usually a group of people that either means they're going to their house or either to the subway. And you'll never get lost. All right, we are now at the station, Linhai Station. Now let's go towards Shenzhen Bay. I'll end the stream now. I'll see you guys later. And this right here is O Bay during the hurricane